Using that screen, spin move to Jonas, and he finishes! Oh, how sweet it is!
Wow, ankle breaker by Kyle Lowry.
Go at Williams. Johnson out to screen. Lowry behind the back crosses. Loops one up and in. Kyle Lowry with the running right-hander. Williams slipped slightly, and that allowed Lowry some airspace with 36 points. Count. Kyle Lowry has put the Raptors on top by 3.
Wow. Lowry. How about that? Landry, one time, yes! Landry Fields with the 3 from the corner!
Welcome back. What a pass as well. Lowry wheeling, dealing.
Lowry with the great movement, he finds Landry in the corner. Raptors up.
I hate to say it, Nico, but that is going to be on somebody's highlight tape tonight.
Oh! Kemba! Oh! Kemba, great move to create space, and he hits it! Look at Kemba! Oh my! Just undressing the defense. Oh, look at Kemba go! Come on! Cross him up and sit him down. Put him to sleep. Check if he's hurt. That guy is good. Real good.
Walker, please stop that. A dime with a move and then fires the jumper and scores. Oh my goodness, and Aaron Brooks is quick. He got it.
Kemba Walker.
One of the best crossovers, legal crossovers in the game. Walker's so good.
But Dallas has only got one left in a possession ball game.
Young put it on spin. Got it to go in.
How about the handle? How about the spin? Vince gets him a little bit of separation. The close by Kleba. My goodness. I tell you, that's reminiscent of a handle like Steph Curry, but his favorite.
Particularly from distance, he's 2 of 15 on threes. Trae Young goes right to the hoop and lays it in.
It's funny because in practice, you know me, I think I'm just quicker and have a charge. Good take by Trae there.
Well, that defense there just evaporated.
Trae Young gets by George Hill. See ya.
And that's gonna be the rest of the game.
Was in the 2017 draft. Last year played overseas. Trae with a super move.
Man.
No whistle, Hawks run with Trae Young in the middle. Floats it home.
Oh, Trae Young is starting to feel.
He never averaged more than 7 in 3 years in Minnesota. Here's Young moving in. Daylight and lays it home.
Well, Bielitsa, you got to come over and help Fox out.
Shot clock. Trae Young moving in. Scoop to the hoop is good. Timeout Cleveland.
Trae Young is smoking tonight.
Cleveland. End of the clock. Went right to the hole.
Westbrook again. Sidesteps. How about the dashing drive from Russ? So nasty.
That's sick. That's sick. That's just sick, really. Russell Westbrook said, it's Russell time.
Westbrook down the lane and the finish with the right hand. Russell Westbrook punctuating a big second half for the Thunder.
Rose, the crossover, gets to the rim. Oh, what a beauty from Derrick Rose. Razzle dazzle, igniting the crowd.
Oh, baby. That was an ankle breaker by Derrick Rose.
Mirotic leaves it for Derrick, and they wall him off. Now Derek starts to drive, step back, and inside.
I'll tell you what, he broke Zach LaVine. Broke that ankle right there trying to stay in front of D. Rose.
And Derrick Rose 9 for 22, so either outstanding lead guards not necessarily making their shots consistently.
Rose. Oh, what a move by Derrick Rose. Oh, that was a thing of beauty right there.
I mean, he just froze Tyreek with that quick crossover and right to the rim, flying high.
87-83.
And that'll be a goaltend on Gallenberg. I'm going to tell you, he broke the ankles of Andre Miller on that.
Off it comes. Dame cuts between defenders, comes in with a hammer blow and a right-hand jam to put the Blazers on top by one.
You can try him if you want to. Is Lillard an athlete?
McMillan also had just terrific things to say about his time in Portland. First thing he said was he still can't believe Paul Allen is gone as Lillard shreds the defense and lays it in.
Why can you not defend a Damian Lillard pick and roll? How about a split and then a step through sideways? You're showing this in practice. Hey, Corey and Gamonte, why can you not defend a Damian Lillard pick and roll? How about...
Got a switch here, Jerebko on Lillard. And Lillard throws a three over it. 4 triples tonight, 20 points.
Comes left. Dame now against Jerebko on a switch. Lillard goes behind his back now, leans back with a three, that's in!
Playoff start.
But after a missed free throw,
Lillard nails the three.
but after a missed free throw,
Lillard nails.
22nd timeout by the Utah Jazz.
Westbrook is on the bench right now. Harden in there with a dance. That move is illegal in most every state except in Texas. Woo! Wow. He's got 29.
You know what I'm thinking about, don't you? James Harden, put him in the popcorn machine. Yeah. What a move.
Right before the half, or he could drive on you.
James Harden. Levine goes up at the buzzer, but what an all-American move by James Harden. MVP move. Here comes Harden in the open court. Harden behind the back, takes it to the middle. Oh, what a shot by James Harden. Oh, I couldn't describe this for you again. You just have to watch it.
This is an MVP caliber move. Watch behind the legs.
Between the legs.
Can't do the math. That's a 21-point lead. Rockets on the left side. Harden just crossed over Wes Johnson.
Let's take a look. Allow me to have this dance. Down goes Johnson. Too much sauce.
I tell you, he's the closest thing I've seen to Isaiah Thomas since Isaiah Thomas.
Can't get the ball out of his hands, though. He's a magician. This guy handles the ball like it's attached to him.
Crossover on Kobe by Chris Paul. A jaw-dropping move by CP3.
Look at that crazy hander. That's just insane.
That's almost undefendable.
Got Blake on a dodge.
Did you see what Chris Paul did with the ball?
He left us all absolutely high and dry.
But I mean, oh my God. He made that all by himself out of nothing. And there were 3 Grizzly defenders. Can't fall with Shumpert making him work on that repaired knee and knocks it down.
oh my goodness, you will be seeing that a while, folks.
Dribble to myself, I'm going to spin magical mystery tour when he has the ball in his hands.
get his ankles retaped at halftime. This Paul does it again to Calderon. A stop and pull up by Paul.
That was a la Michael Jordan.
It's counted and one.
Kyrie Irving with some more razzle-dazzle.
Beautiful job off the pick and roll, eliminating the defender, making a play for his team.
The quarter. Irving, splits the defense with the dribble. Oh, Kyrie.
Kyrie swerving, getting anywhere he wants on the floor.
Kyrie, hesitation. Whoa!
That was a move. What he wants to do. Yeah, what he really wants to do is play pick and roll. Wow. Kyrie. Just where I thought Kyrie had nowhere to go on that baseline. Fade away with the rainbow jumper, nothing but net.
And that's for sure.
Irving again. Moves and eyes from the crowd. Manages to get the ball back. Putting on a show with the ball handling. Layup is good. Oh, what a play from Irving.
Kyrie, ridiculous handle, dribbles behind his back. He loses it, but chases it down near the sideline. Kyrie's still dribbling like he's on the Globetrotters.
Across the timeline, Irving spins away from Collison and takes it to the goal, finishing with a right hand.
He dropped him. He goes Kyrie swerving through the lane. Oh, I got to get myself on.
If we were at Rucker Park, they'd be like, ooh.
Irving with the ball, left side of the circle. Fakes, dribbles on Curry, spins on Curry. Good fake, goes to the baseline, shoots the jumper. It's up and good.
Tim, you don't stop that move.
Nope.
Nobody does.
Oh, that's a sweet move from Kyrie Irving.
And Mike, you said his teammates love him for loose balls. Not really. That's what they love about him.
Mark of the second quarter. Shot clock is down to 3. Kyrie Irving doing it aims on the defensive line. Brogdon out to get 3. Put that shot up and down. Oh, Kyrie masterful inside.
Oh, I was getting ready to say great defense, which it was by Malcolm Brogdon. How did Kyrie get out of that double team?
From the field. Curry putting moves on Durant to the double. Able to beat Durant and score. Steph Curry around Kevin Durant off the dribble.
You really put Kevin in the grinder there, and that was an amazing move to get around him.
Still buzzing on that.
Curry curls right way, catches the ball up top. Dribbles on Williams. He fell down. It's an ankle breaker. 3 for Curry. Just need to play. That's inbounds. Curry. What a move. And then the jumper. Oh, man. The wizardry of Steph Curry on the handle and then the hot hand. Oracle buzzing after that little foray. 3:06.